Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Kevin from Home Alone. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Kevin from Home Alone, let's begin by drawing his face. So I'm going to start right here, and I just want to begin by making a circle for one of his eyes. Then I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to make another circle for the other eye. Right inside of here, I'm going to draw a smaller circle inside each one, and I'll color in most of it, leaving just a little bit white for the reflection. Right here, I'm going to draw a little sad face for the nose. And then right here, I'm going to make two lines that curve up and down for the eyebrows. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and then down for the mouth. And then I'm just going to make a line across for the bottom. I'll make a line across the top for the teeth, and a little line that goes up and then up and down for the tongue. Now, I want to draw his hands on his face. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve up and over, and then same thing here, up and over. I'm going to come up and bring it down, and then up and bring it down for one of the fingers. Next, I'll do another one right here. Just goes up and down, and then I'll just make one more right here that's going to curve down. So one more that just kind of curves down. And then we'll just connect it right here. So just kind of curve this down and connect. Now, starting here, I'm going to curve a line up on each side for the sides of his face. And I'm going to bring this up a little farther, and then I'm going to make some long and short pointed lines for the hair. Now I'm going to bring this line up, and then I'll make a couple more little pointed lines down here. Right here, I'll make a line that goes out and down for the ear, and out and down for the ear. And then right here, I'm going to go up and then over, and then same thing here, up and over. I'm going to make a couple little points here, and then I'll connect it. Now, right here, I'm going to draw a little line that curves down and up on each end of the wrist. And then I'll just draw a line that goes down and then up for the chin. Then I'll make a little line right here for the neck. And then right here, I'm just going to make a line that's going to come down and then up for the arm. And same thing here, a line that just goes down and then up for the arm. Then I'll make a line that comes up and in for the shoulder, and then up and in. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down on each side. And then I'll make a little kind of wavy line for his sweater. And then a couple little lines right here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down and then over. And same thing here. We're going to go down and then over. I'll bring this line up and this line up. And then a little line right across there. I'll make a line across the bottom of each pair of pants, or each pant leg. and then a line that goes over and up for his little pockets. Now for the shoe, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then back up here. And same thing here, down, and then right back up. With a little curve right across the bottom. And there you go, there is your drawing of Kevin from Home Alone. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.